Happy spring, Vital Signs community. So we just finished our site maintenance. We wanted to show you a few things that we've updated on the site. We'll go through each of the tabs here at the top, starting with Choose Your Mission. So this will take you straight to our field missions page, which has all of our current field missions. Go Look for Species, this tab at the top, will take you to a page that has a link to what is an invasive species, so the difference between native, non-native, and invasive. It also has links to all of our ID cards in freshwater, coastal, and upland habitats. There's a link to our Fieldwork Toolkits page. This is a really helpful page. Breaks down the necessary resources you'll need for investigations in coastal, freshwater, and upland habitats. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see all the individual ID cards that you can download. The Explore Data tab here will take you to all of the data on vital signs. If you click on Change Search, you can look for a specific town, habitat, or watershed. You can look for anything that's been posted for a specific species. And you can narrow that search down for only recent data, all the data, or data within a certain range of time. Create, Share, Connect will take you to this first link will take you to the Project Bank page. Second one will take you to a page that lists different ideas for projects that you and your students could do. The third link on this page will take you to our Vital Signs blog. And the last link on this page will take you to the Best of Vital Signs page, which has best all-around observations, impressive sketches, great evidence photos, and more. And lastly, when we go to the Educator Tools page, the link at the top will take you right to the curriculum bank. Then there's a link to our educator forums. Our how-to guides is next. Again, another link to the Fieldwork Toolkits page. A link to our page on data quality, which includes, if you scroll down, our quality assurance checklist and the peer review tool. And then links to specific activities and lessons that are also found right here in the curriculum bank. So those are the updates to the Vital Signs site. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email us at vitalsigns@gmri.org.